Hello guys, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back. Alright, this episode of Railfanning is going to be filmed on December 20th of 2023. And this is an interesting episode, if you will. We're actually here at Neely Street. Yeah, my truck is parked right there. We're at Neely Street. Yeah, of course, it dead ends at the railroad tracks. Imagine if there was a railroad crossing here that just kind of went through. But yeah, I heard about this train from Arizona Railfanner, aka Austyn. He's actually down there, I think, on the south side of the bridge. But yeah, I drove up. The train was actually stopped just before Guadalupe, but now, as you can see, it's moving right now, and yeah, hopefully he'll horn show for me. Those are the numbers of the locomotives. Okay, we have an extremely long streak of auto rack cars. But I think the end is in sight. Well, that's it for this train. I guess it's fascinating how quickly that thing picks up speed. Yeah, this area may not be the greatest. Like right here, we have a full-blown truck bed. Not sure what kind of truck that bed is for, or what it was on. It reminds me of that bit in the first Thor movie when Stan Lee I tried to pull Mjolnir out with his truck and he tore the bed off of it. Did it work? Oh man, rest in peace, Stan Lee. But yeah, today it's actually fairly warm for. Well, I guess it's pretty warm right now. For December, even in Arizona, I guess, but I guess we've also had a little bit of rain going on. And then yesterday, of course, I was cosplaying as Mario. Wahoo! And then, yeah, but yeah, yes, yeah, as you can see, sorry, it's done passing Gilbert Road, and the gates have risen and traffic is continuing. Yeah, and now I can park my truck right over there. So, all right, well, I think that'll be it for this episode. Just wanted to get another one under my belt before the end of 2023. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will be heading out for now. Bye.